everybody, how y'all doing? I'm your host, Kyle, on the mic, and welcome to The Sound. Now, a show where we put emerging artists head-to-head in the DMV on one stage in front of a live audience. Make some noise for yourselves. Yes, our beautiful DJ Fair Applause set on the ones and twos. And of course, a panelist of judges. Now, we walk you all through this amazing show. This episode 2, and the first episode, as you saw, they brought the sweat, the tears, everything to the table, and they showed out right here in front of you all here in DC. But I did say we got panelists of judges, right? So let's go ahead and introduce our first judge. Now, he's a TV, radio, media personality, and also a CEO of his music academy. Make some noise for the one and only Easy Street. What's up, man?
Thanks for having me.
How you feeling, man? Welcome to The Sound.
Great, man. Great show, by the way.
Yes, sir. Now, our next judge is also the VP of Operations for the Crossover Entertainment and also the founder of the Live Squad Night Show. Make some noise right now for Pete Stu.
Yeah.
Pete, how you doing? I like that. Yeah.
Let's get it going.
That's right, man. Okay, now our next judge goes by the name of Miss Christina Smart. Now, she covers music around the world and locally here in the DMV. But right now, she joins us here for The Sound. Miss Christina, how you feeling today?
I'm feeling great. I'm so excited to be here and see this new talent.
Hey, I'm glad to have you here as well. But last but not least, our last judge is a TEDx speaker and a youth empowerment coach as well. And also a winning songwriter and award-winning artist as well. Right now, make some noise for the one and only Emma G. Emma, how you feeling? I like the red guy. You're giving the red vibes right now. I'm getting energy from you. Yes, that's right. So again, that's our panelists and judges right there. We're about to get the show started. I'm excited to see what happens here on this stage. Before we get started, we have some rules. Check this out.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to The Sound. Tonight's performances will feature 5 local artists who all submitted entries and were chosen by a panel of music industry experts. All participants have been apprised of and agreed to abide by the following rules. Participants were asked to perform their best original compositions. Each artist or band was required to prepare 3 original musical selections. In the preliminary rounds, artists will perform 1 song. The song must be at least 1.5 minutes and cannot exceed 4 minutes in length. In order to adhere to time limits, appropriate cuts in the songs are acceptable. Competitors may be stopped at 4 minutes at the discretion of the judges. Whether or not the performance is stopped at 4 minutes, competitors may be penalized in judges' score for performances that are excessive. Performances will be judged primarily on, but not limited to, the following: quality of tone, technique, communication, interpretation, diction, musicianship, and stage presence. And now, enjoy the sound.
Okay, those are your rules right there for The Sound. But coming up next, we're going to have our artists hit the stage right now. So if you're ready for a great performance, y'all make some noise, y'all. All right, remember, you can't be heard unless you make the sound. We'll be right back.
Okay. They go up.
guys good? Band is good? Audio good? Remember you have to control the music from the DJ as well. Coming back to this DJ. Coming straight up to you, Kyle. Stand by. Remember to hand him your mic when you're done. There it goes. That way. There we go. Applause, everyone.
Welcome back to the sound. I'm your host, Kyle, on the mic, and it's now time for our first performance. Y'all ready for that? Make some noise, y'all. This first band was formed in 2013, and listen, they are moved and dedicated to the message and the music when it comes to the artistry. So they're ready to hit the stage right now. I'm ready for them. So please make some noise for the body of evidence.
Appreciate y'all. Love you.
Clap it up for them again, the body of evidence one more time. Come back over here, man. Clap it up now. They will hold it down. Wait real quick. Shout out to Mama right here. Hold it down right here on the bass. Come on over now. You saw her doing that thing. We showed love to everybody. We saw you doing your thing. Clap it up for her right now, y'all. Lisa, that's Mom right there. Now listen. I love everything about the performance. Now, when you talked about the message of music, what is the message you have to put across when it comes to you as an artist in your music?
We just try to push life, you know what I'm saying? being an ex-gang member myself, I found God on the streets. And I found the music and the go-go. You know what I'm saying? When you from the streets of DC, you see go-go. You know what I'm saying? We from the block. So I want go-go music. You know what I mean? So I had to put the gospel inside of that message.
No, for sure. We love to see how you use that relation, especially using your talent for the greater good out here in DC, when we're trying to use positivity with our music in the city to stop the gun violence, stop the gang activity and everything. So, clap it up for that right there. Now, if you're watching at home, if you're not inspired, because I feel the energy in here, we hope you feel the energy on the screen. But listen, the people who energy we really need to hear from is our panelists and judges. So, Easy Street, man, what did you think about that performance?
First of all, I'm excited. I'm amped because the official music of Washington, D.C., courtesy of Mayor Muriel Bowser, is go-go music. So I gotta love that. BOE, incredible artists. They've been doing it for a very long time in our city. Wonderful performance. I have no real negative comments. I love what y'all do. Keep it going.
All right, and one great comment right there, and the key word is to keep it going. Now we're gonna keep this going. Peace Stu, what are your thoughts?
Oh man, I loved it, man. You know, go-go has gotten a bad rap over the years from our area. You know what I'm saying? They tried to shut it down and shut it out because of some of the negativity that was associated with go-go events. And this is what we need right here to spin it around and show the area and the world that go-go is a positive, progressive, you know, genre in the music culture, man. I loved it, man. Keep going.
Yes, sir. Yes, keep it going. That's a key word we keep hearing right now. So that if you want any motivation, you know what, keep it going, right? Yes, sir. Miss Christina, your thoughts. Let us know how you feel about that performance.
It was fantastic. I really think it was DC Go-Go at its finest. The only slight issue I had is sometimes I couldn't hear the lyrics. I don't know if it's because there's so much going on stage all at once. But other than that, it was fantastic.
Oh, great, great, great. Now, Miss Emma G, last but not least, what are your thoughts?
I'm just excited that Go-Go is finally in the Recording Academy Grammy. So
Come on now.
DC outlets, you know. So brilliant performance. I love your mission. I love the fact that you're using music to really elevate and empower and inspire. I love the energy you guys brought to the stage. I think that was phenomenal.
Yes, well, great results right now, great feedback from our judges now. We'll see what happens at the end of the show again. Make some noise for the body of evidence for joining us now. Appreciate you all.
All right.
Yes, now see, this is what happens when we come here for the culture. We bring go-go music. We bring